In this video, you can see now how we can use the payslip or the pay runs to generate a CPF file for export. Simply click on the payslip or the pay run that you have generated for the month. Click on a pen. And you can see that there's a few functions here. Simply, you can click on generate CPF e-submission file to generate the CPF submission file, or you can click on the bank gyro file to submit the gyro file from the bank to be imported. Let's start with the CPF first. Simply just check all the employees and click on generate CPF e-submission. The system will be processing and a file will be generated. So we are generating the CPF e-submission file right now. Okay, so we will indicate now the month of the CPF, which is August, and 2018, the company UEN number. Okay, there will be no advice code, and simply click on generate. Okay, so once the file has been generated, you can save it down, and then you can upload this DTL file into a CPF website accordingly.